In this video, I will guide you on how to use the promote feature on TikTok. First, launch open the TikTok app and make sure to log into your account. Now head over to your profile, then open any video that you want. Here, tap on the three dots. Now you want to look for the promote option over here. If you don't find it here, then you can tap on the view insights option. If you don't have the more insights option, you can tap on these three lines. Now tap on TikTok Studio. Then tap on analytics. Find the content that you want to promote. Now scroll down. At the bottom, find the option of want more traffic. Use promote to grow your audience. Select that. Now from here, you can promote your TikTok reels. Tap on the create promotion option. Here, choose your goal. Then select the creatives. For that, tap on the upload option. Now you want to follow the on-screen prompts. You will have to choose your target audience, then set your campaign budget and duration, then review all the details before confirming your promotion. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the payment and launch your campaign. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.